If you're getting views, but zero sales from your videos, you're making a huge mistake. And no, it's not your content. I tested a tool that literally turns videos into instant sales funnels. And honestly, this changes everything. Here's what most people do. They create videos, post on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, people watch, maybe even like, but when it's time to buy, they disappear. Why? Because you send them to bio links, landing pages, forms? And every extra click kills conversions. Now imagine this. Your viewer watches your video, and instead of going somewhere else, they can click and buy instantly inside the video. That's exactly what VideoFunnels AI does. It turns your normal videos into interactive sales funnels, where people can click buttons, see offers, and check out, without ever leaving the video. Here's what I liked about it. You can create video funnels in minutes. No tech skills. Add clickable buttons inside videos. Works for affiliate offers, your own products, or services. Perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube, and ads. Higher conversions because there are zero distractions. Basically, it removes the biggest problem in online selling: too many steps. When I started using this strategy, I noticed something crazy. People stopped just watching and started clicking. Because everything became instant. No waiting, no confusion, just action. If you want to turn your videos into actual money, this is something you need to try. I've added the link in the description below.